A recent DJI firmware update has made it possible to view the video stream from the object sensors. You can't record the stream, but you can record the screen, which is what I've done here. To view the sensors, you swipe right on the multi-display in the bottom left-hand corner until you get to the stream. And then if you press on the stream, it'll switch it to a large view. And then you can switch between cameras by pressing on the arrows left, right, up or down to take you to either of the left or rear or forward or backward facing sensors. The quality is pretty low and it's only black and white. It's not really designed for being viewed. It's purely for object recognition. But it's still pretty cool to be able to see that visual stream.
Landing.